Hi, it's Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how the Universe and Video Universe windows can be used to easily navigate large Pro Tools sessions. In my session, the Universe window is currently visible. You can show and hide this in a variety of different ways. One option is to go to the View menu and then choose Other Displays, Universe. You can show and hide it from there. Also, you may have noticed there was a shortcut listed there, which is Option and 7. That's definitely the quickest way, but as an alternative, you can go to the Edit window menu over here and select or deselect Universe. Alternatively, you can click on this little show and hide icon to do that. Once it's displayed, you can resize it just by clicking and dragging. Now, the Universe window gives an overview of the entire session. It's a bit like a map. The highlighted area within it represents the currently visible edit window. If I change the zoom level, if I just zoom in, you can see that we're seeing a different area because that's what's currently visible in the edit window. If I change track height to make them bigger, you can see now we're seeing this tiny little windowed view of the session. So to navigate this, you can see this is essentially an overview of every single clip on the timeline, whether it's MIDI or audio, and we can click and drag to navigate around like that. So a quick and convenient way to navigate a session. Also, if you have Pro Tools Ultimate, there is a second type of universe called the Video Universe. So if we just hide the main universe, to show the Video Universe, it's Command and 7. Now this has to be on the numeric keypad rather than at the top of the keyboard. And the Video Universe shows a thumbnail for every individual clip on your main currently online video track. So in this session, you can see we've got this track, which in my session is called Changes, and this has been divided by scene. So I spent time going through this previously, splitting the film up on a scene by scene basis, and now within the Video Universe window we can see a thumbnail for each of those. Each of these represents the central image from a clip. So for example, if a clip was 10 seconds long, you'd see the clip which was at the 5-second point. Currently these are a little bit too small, so if you right click, you can choose to increase the size of these. Sometimes when you initially open the Video Universe window, you won't see all of the thumbnails. This is a long-running Pro Tools glitch, so to get around that, open it, right click, and if you just increase or even decrease the size, it'll prompt them to appear. Now if we open the video window itself, we can do a variety of different things in the Video Universe window. Precisely how this works is dependent on whether you have the cursor in the bottom half or the top half of a thumbnail. So in the bottom half you can see it's the selector tool, in the top half it's the zoom tool. If I go to any given scene and I double click with the zoom tool, it will zoom that particular clip in the edit window to fit the available visible space. To save any confusion, I'm going to hide these other two tracks. Still with the zoom tool in the top half, if you single click on a clip, the start of it will move into view, maintaining the existing zoom level. If you want to zoom multiple clips to fit the width of the edit window, click and drag. You can see in the Video Universe window they're becoming highlighted, and in the edit window it's zooming in or out to fit them in. As I mentioned, if you move the cursor to the bottom half of a thumbnail, it becomes the selector tool. To place the cursor at the beginning of that particular clip, you can single click it like that, and it'll jump between the different scenes. Double clicking on a clip will select its duration in the timeline, so you can see there is making a time selection. And if you click and drag across multiple clips, then it selects the duration of those clips collectively. To zoom and select ranges simultaneously, move the cursor across any of these frames, and then hold the Option key and click and drag, and it zooms and selects collectively. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.